So here you can see uh, life membership is, there is nothing is given about the life membership. Okay, there is nothing is given about the life membership fees. So it's a life membership fees, that's why I take it into balance sheet only, closing balance sheets. So nothing is given for life membership here, means no other entries. So like it's a capitalized or general, can be treated as income, that's why. So 11,350, take 11,350, it's a expenses, we have less income. 8,200 minus 500 minus 200 minus 500. So 1950 is excess of expenditure over income. By deficit, by loss, how much? 9,950 will be the loss. So deficit means loss. Okay, this is the loss. So right here 11,350. Now let's go for opening balance sheet. Okay, from here there is opening cash in bank is 300 and 250. Okay, at the time of opening of cash book, means receipt and payment, there is a balance of cash in hand and cash at bank 300 and 2,500. So right here cash in hand is 300 and cash at bank was 2,300. 300 500, it's 2,500. Okay, so right here 2,500. Let's see another entries are there or not. These are the current year entries, all grant payments, salaries, all are current year entries. So last year there is a subscription 2004, means 1000 was outstanding. So right here outstanding subscription there is 1000. Okay, 2004 subscription. So we can write here as on 31st December 2004. Okay, now okay, these are the, so and there is a sports equipment on hand on 31st December 2004 was 1200. So right here sports equipment 1200. Okay, see any other entries after this? There is only depreciation, but there is no other entries. So right here 1000, 1000, 2000, 2500, 3000, 5000. So overall 5000 is a capital fund. So right here 5000 capital fund. Okay, see here opening capital fund is 5000. Now closing balance sheet as on 31st December 2005. First write capital fund. For that purpose we need a detail column here. Okay, first write capital fund here as a 5000 is a capital fund. Okay, so let's arrange these first. Arrange these entries. Okay, we have after capital fund we have deficit amount, means loss amount. How much is the losses? Write in bracket 1950 is the loss, 1950. So we will do remaining amount will be later, or else we will do it later. Next, okay, from starting see cash in hand, cash in bank we have taken, subscription also. Tournament fund we have not taken, take into the liability side. Tournament fund. Okay, tournament fund. How much tournament fund? See here 3000 is a tournament fund. 3000. Now for the next after tournament from life membership 2000. So right here life membership 2000. Okay, next life membership entrance fees we have already taken. Donation for pavilion 4500. So somebody is paid donation for pavilion, so right here 4500 as a donation for pavilion. So the next sale of newspaper, sale of grass we have already taken. Groundman fees we have taken. Moving machine we have to take 1500. So moving machine how much? 1500. Next, after that rent we have taken. Salaries to coaches we have taken. Tournament expenses we have to take here in balance sheet. So less, okay, tournament expenses. How much tournament expenses? It's 1200. So deduct this amount. So right here 1800, 1800. Now next, after tournament expenses, general expenses we have taken. Sports equipment purchase how much? 1500. But we have remaining amount also given here, so we'll come to here, let it be this. Cash in hand and cash at bank how much? 1500 and 6000. So write 1500 cash in hand and cash at bank is 6000. Okay, next, after completing the receipt and payment, let's come to the adjustment. Subscription, this one is 2004, let it be. For 2005 there is a subscription 1500 outstanding. So right here outstanding subscription 1500, 1500. Okay, next, and there is subscription also include for 2006 upcoming year. We have received in advance 300. So write subscription received in advance how much? 300. So if we close the company we have to pay back, so that's why subscription received in advance means next year subscription we have received this year only. Sports equipment on last year was 1200, let it be, and but this year's closing stock how much on sports equipment? 1300. So right here sports equipment how much? 1300. Okay, now the moving machine was depreciated how much? 20%. So here is given 150. So deduct less depreciation on moving machine 150. Okay, if we delete 100 it is 1400. If we delete 50 then 1350. Okay, so all the entries are over from here. From here we have transferred deficit also. Here subscription is 1000. Okay, it won't come. Equipment 1200, but presently its equipment is 1300. Cash in hand, cash at bank we have also taken here for closing. Now tally this. Life membership directly, okay, take into the outer column 2000. Okay, add this one, calculate this one. 5000 minus 1950 is the losses, so 3050. So right here 3050. Now add this 3050 plus 1800 plus 4500 plus 300 plus 2000. How much? 11380. So right here 11380. Let's see whether it is 11650 is there. So so 380 is not there. 650 means something we are missing in calculation. Okay, so we will check it. 350, 18, 4500, 300 and 2000. Okay, these are the amounts. Hmm, 1200, 1400 is the losses. Okay, now let's calculate this one. 1500 plus 6000 plus 1350 plus 1500 plus 1300. 11,650 is we are getting 11,650 here. Okay, but here what is the difference? 11,380. Okay, how much amount we are getting? 270 amount we are getting. So let's check up whether the any amount relating to 270 is there or not. Okay, so there is a subscription 300. 20% is a depreciation. We also taken on moving machine. Per expenses side, there is nothing like we have to do rent, groundman, moving machine, salaries, tournament expenses 1200, general, sports equipment, cash in hand, everything, subscription, tournament fund, life membership fees, entrance fees, donation, sale of newspaper, sale of grass, everything is taken. So 270 is getting. Okay, here is a suspense, so write enter suspense 270. Okay, so 270 amounts we are not getting because we don't have any entry like that. Okay, so write this one 270 because we have completely 1950 is completely excess of income. 5000 capital fund we have got here. Okay, as 1165 we are not getting, so this one we have to take. This is how we have to calculate income expenditure account. This is the opening balance sheet last year 2004. This is the present and closing balance sheet. This is for 2005. Okay, if you like the more videos, you can go to House of Account playlist, non-profit organization. Okay.